All right, well, welcome. My name's James, and I'll be walking you through Module 1 here on the Craigslist Crusher. What I'd like to do first is basically we need to tell you exactly how to be able to list on Craigslist. And the first thing you have to have is listings. Some people, will use different types of things, but for our system, you definitely need listings. And so what we've done is we've included an email here that you need to send out to some of the big listing agents in your area, your targeted area there, and you need to ask them for permission to advertise their properties. So I've included our template that we've used. We get about 4 out of 5 people that say yes. You present all the benefit to them and tell them why it's good for somebody like you to advertise their listings. They're going to sell faster and all those sorts of things. So that's the first thing you need to do. The second thing you need to do is you need to get a Craiglisting post software, HTML software, and the only free one online that we know of is Postlets.com, and you basically put all of your listings in there and you can repost those, and once you put them into Craigslist, then you can continue to repost them until they sell. And so that's the easiest way to do that, which is Postlets, which is free. We actually recommend TourFactory, which actually costs about about $50 a month. But there's a lot of reasons that TourFactory is just a better system. It does cost a little bit of money. So you might want to try this with Postlets and then move into something like TourFactory. The next thing you're going to want to do is you want to get separate email addresses for posting and a separate email address for leads. I recommend Gmail account just because there's the most options there with a Gmail account. And I also recommend getting, even if you have a Craigslisting account now, I recommend getting a new phone verified account for Craigslist. And so the first thing we'd like to go over here, getting a little bit into it, is we'd like to go into how to make your postings pop on Craigslist on Module 1 here. And if you notice here, we go into the Craigslist and you can see here that there's a bunch of, people try to do the asterisks and the exclamation points and little squigglies and all that kind of stuff. But I'd like you to check out this page here and see how just using these arrows here, we've done beta testing on this and we get 4 to 5 times more views on our pages that have these versus ones that don't have these. So very, very important. We've actually included the HTML codes on the link if you click down below this video, and we've included those HTML codes for free for about 3 or 4 different ones of those, and that's going to be real important. The first thing to get you kind of started here to moving towards Craigslist. But we'd also like you to check out Module 2. Module 2 is going to explain to you the difference between a listing agent's ad and a lead generating ad. It's real exciting stuff. We're looking forward to seeing there, so go ahead and click on Module 2 and check out exactly what I'm talking about when I say the difference between those two. Thanks for checking out Module 1. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope we got a couple of things in there that you can use to better your business.